So many birds flying. uh, Hi birdies. That's a place that I also like to come to as I'm here. Oh, there was a little path to go down there, but somebody has already put fences, so we can't go right now. Okay, I'm gonna turn back, go through another path. Oh my gosh, passion fruits. Wow, passion fruits, can't believe it. Wow, awesome. Can you see passion fruits in the wild? Oh, that's cool. There are passion fruits at home. Otherwise I would get some from that tree. That's super cool, huh? Bye tree. I found some horses. I don't know if they're cool with it, but I wanted to show you guys the river. The river is okay. There's another fence, so I can't cross it. Hi horses. They're cute, aren't they? Okay. I'm gonna try to film this bird. That bird. I'm gonna try to film that bird who is singing so loud. Let's see if I can catch it, because they're very scared of humans. Because they're smart, right? Oh, babies. They're so cute. Hi, little duckies. They were swimming right now, but now they're just walking. Wow, wild duckies. They're so cute. Hello. And those are the flowers. You guys can't see it properly, but neither can I, because I can't. I'm short-sighted. Anyway. Oh, babies. I love those wild ducks. They're colorful and cute and small. Super cute. Bye bye duckies, have a good day. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe to watch more videos. I'm always filming, nature and stuff. And thank you so much for subscribing, and thanks so much for watching. And give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye. Yeah, bye. He said bye. Bye. Bye.